Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer the ownership of your server to your other friend. And remember, to transfer ownership, you need to be the owner of the server, not just an admin, the owner, which means the creator. Alright, so let me show you how you guys can do that. So first you want to go to the server whose owner you are, and then you want to click on your server's name at the top left of your screen. And right beside your server, all the setting will open up. From over here, you want to click on where it says server setting. Now once you're inside server settings, you want to find members. Now you want to scroll a bit down and you can see members over here. Click on members and it's going to show you all the member of your server. Now from over here, what you want to do is click on the three dot right beside the person's name. Once you click on the three dot, you can see the option called transfer ownership. Click on transfer ownership, and once you're over here, make sure you turn this on. It basically means I acknowledge that by transferring the ownership of the server, it officially belongs to them. Which means if I transfer my ownership to this guy, my friend, that means I cannot become the owner again unless he, transfer the ownership to me again. So if you're okay with that, turn this on, click on transfer ownership, and your server's ownership will be transferred to the other person. So that is how you guys can transfer your server's ownership on Discord. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.